You cannot make an ailment or a disease worse using magnets. Let's just say, oh, I messed up and I misunderstood and I put the positive where the negative should have been and vice versa. Again, inverting magnetic polarities will not make anything worse for you. In fact, this is happening every single day. The only thing about this is you're not going to have the optimal results. So some people, when they're applying magnets, they have strange sensations or maybe even pain. So you might feel an obvious tingling or increased pain, but generally what happens is that after this 30-minute application, the temporary increase in pain disappears. But do not take the magnets off until the session is complete. So don't freak out about that stuff. Like, hey, something weird's happening, but just be with it. Pretty much what I've seen in the last 17 years of doing this is that you will probably end up having the same levels of pain, but oftentimes it actually decreases even more.